Alrighty, I believe I'm recording. What's going on? Let's see what day it is. Yesterday was 50, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, yesterday was 50. 187 subscribers. It's currently 1 a.m. where I'm from. Late video. I was doing some personal stuff, but I don't know how long I'm gonna do this video for. I'm gonna just keep going until I'm tired, which I'm a bit tired, but it's okay. Yeah, let's get straight to it. So last thing we finished was encapsulation. So now we're doing abstraction. So yeah. Abstraction helps us handle complexity by hiding unnecessary details, which sounds like encapsulation, right? Wait. Yeah, right. It helps us handle. We're so similar. It's almost not worth worrying about difference. Almost. Abstraction is about creating a simple interface for complex behavior. It focuses on what's exposed public. Okay. So publicly to what? Okay. Encapsulation is about hiding internal internal state. It focuses on tucking away the implementation details. Abstraction is more about reducing complexity. Encapsulation is more worrying maintaining the integrity of system internals. In my personal opinion, it's a bit of a distinction without difference, but abstraction is a more broadly used term, and in my view at least, it's also a more general term for making something easier to use by adding a top. Are we encapsulating or abstracting? Both. We're almost doing both. Wow, I can't read. We are almost always doing both. Here's an example of using the random library to generate a random number. Okay. Gate generator is a really hard problem. That operating system uses a physical hardware compared to create a seed from randomness. However, the developers for random library have abstracted the complexity away and encapsulated within the simple. I see. That's a great example. Creating a seed for randomness. However, the developers of random library have abstracted the complexity away and encapsulated it with simple R and range functions. We just say I want a random number from 0 to 4, and the library does it. Yep. When writing libraries for other developers to use, getting the abstractions right is critical because changing them later can be disastrous. Imagine if the maintainers of the random module change the input parameters to the R and range function. It will break code used by thousands of applications around the world. That's crazy. Sorry guys, my neck. Yeah, that's really crazy. Simon, we don't want our coworkers at the Age of Dragons to have to worry about humans move. We'll abstract that away from them by encapsulating the private underscore. So this is already made. Is an X position Y and it's speed. Okay. So humans will abstract away from them by encapsulating private variables with simple methods. Complete the following methods. Okay, move right. So what this does is move right as human speed. So speed by what? As a human speed from its X position. Okay, so I'm thinking it's like this. So self dot underscore pause underscore x plus equals the speed, right? So and then left should be the same, right? Subtract, I see. So from the X position again, we could just copy this line but subtract. Whoa, I guess this tab. So if I go home, no, boom, should do the rest. And if I minus this, So now move up as the human speed to the Y position. So position Y, right? So we're doing position Y to the human speed. Boom. Down should be minus. So is there a way we can copy the line? All I know is Control Shift Self does it, but there has to be a way to do it with just one line. So this should be minus. I'm gonna subtract the human speed, right? And then get position is gonna return the X position, the Y position as a tuple. Return X what? Oh shit, X is not defined. Wow, good job, you dumbass. Self underscore pause underscore X. Holy shit. I'm hoping that's how it is. Y pass. Let's go. W. Just look at the solution. It's just a space, I think. Yeah, it's just a space. Okay. Dude. Bro, I've been on my computer for hours today. Hours, mind you, and my neck is starting to kill me, which is not good. Not good at all, because I need... Oh, Lord. God damn. Jeez. Abstraction versus encapsulation quiz. Which is not a good reason to hide it. Okay, let's read this actually, because I don't even know. Abstraction versus encapsulation quiz. Academics love to split hairs and definitions, but in practice we're basically talking about the same here. So the terms abstraction and encapsulation mostly just emphasize the different aspects of the same concept. Abstraction focuses on exposing essential features while hiding complexity. Encapsulation focuses on bundling data methods and restricting direct access to information data. Corporate needs you to find the difference between the picture and this picture. The same picture. Creating good abstractions is particularly crucial when you're developing libraries for other developers to use. For example, the built-in POW function in Python is an abstraction that hides the complexity of calculating exponents. POW isn't magic. Somewhere code that does something like this exists, and it's called when you use POW. So dev POW. So that's basically what power. So power results equals 1. So 4 in a range of okay. So results times the base. Power is 4 times the base. I see. So which is not a good reason to hide implementation. To keep the code simple and easy to understand. To keep password secret. To hide the which is not a good reason. Fuck. To keep password secret. Yeah, that makes sense. Abstraction emphasizes blank and abstraction. Who cares? It's kind of exposing the right features, bundling data, and restricting. Abstraction. Okay, exposing the right features, bundling data, and methods. Bro, what the fuck am I supposed to... Okay, bundling data and methods. It's either... Oh shit, I didn't even click. And methods and... Yeah, I don't know. Okay, whatever. Sheesh. So don't touch this below. I think we did this. Oh, you don't even need a parentheses. You could just do that for the tuple. It's cool when you start understanding the code. You can like... Understanding code, you can like find small implementations that you did and what somebody else did that works as well, and you learn from that. I don't know. I found that cool. In Age of Dragons, humans can sprint to move move twice as fast. However, sprinting requires stamina. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Bit tired. However, sprinting requires underscore stamina. Each time a human sprints, okay, I'm just daydreaming again. Humans can sprint to move twice as fast, right? However, sprinting requires stamina. Each time a human sprints, it loses stamina. Once it's out of stamina, it can no longer sprint. Cool. So I'm complete all the missing data. Sorry, missing methods. So, okay. Clean all the power habits which tend to be used for the sprinting methods. Raise if cannot sprint. Raise. Okay. What is the fuck is going on? 1. Raise exception. Not enough stamina for if the human's out of stamina. So complete private helper methods, which are intended to be used by the other 4 sprinting methods. Complete the private helper methods. Okay. Which are intended to be used by the other 4 sprinting methods. Sprint right, sprint left, sprint up, sprint down. Right. So I guess we're gonna use... So, 1. Race if cannot sprint. So I guess we're on this one. Dude, why is my neck killing me? Is it my best how I'm sitting or like who the hell sits like who sits like this? Like somebody has to sit like this. I swear. I don't know. My neck hurts, bro. Let me check if I have something in my closet. I have like this neck brace. Okay, we're having a little intermission right here. Give me a sec. It might be up in my closet. I'm gonna try to go up there. Loki needed that. Well, that was 2 minutes of wasting your guys' time. Sorry. What the fuck am I? Oh. Alright, anyways, where we at? Age of Dragons, humans can sprint to move twice as fast, however sprinting requires... Where the fuck? Okay, no, we're on race cannot sprint, right? We're right here. So, raise the exception. Okay, if the underscore, that's a stamina, right? Because I don't even know what others. Yeah, it has to be that. If so dot right. Okay, I think I read a comment by this guy right here. Yeah, something right here. I see the body's alive. Methods contains a mistake. Beginners common mistake. Sometimes it already returns the boolean indicator like, so you can just return Oh, I see. Okay, that's not what I was looking for. If is less than 0, less than, or I guess if it's equal to 0, because out of stamina means it's 0. Let's just see if it's right. We're gonna raise. You know what I did was stupid as to return the list. I raise exception, and in the exception, I can't spell, bro, and that's a stupid issue that can cause an error when they run test cases. So I'm just gonna paste it. Okay, so then we're gonna use for remove 1 stamina from the human. So I guess we're gonna use self dot. Okay, that's bullshit. I don't even know if that's right. It feels right, because if I'm use sprint stamina, if we're using it, we -1. But the thing is I remove from the human. I don't know, it feels right to me. Maybe I'm stupid. For each of the sprint methods, raise an error if there isn't enough stamina. So basically, these all are gonna be the same. If you sprint down, same amount. But if there isn't enough stamina to use to sprint, if there isn't enough, I don't know. It seems right if I do this. If self-sprint. There isn't enough. Razor if there isn't enough stamina to sprint. If it, I don't know if it's. It can be negative though. Like stamina can't go negative. Wait, what? Oh, if there's enough to summon, use race. I don't know. I guess use that same shit. No, but it's like saying use this. So I guess return. Okay, let's come back to that. Use the stamina needed to sprint. So if we say sprint, right. Fuck. if we move twice the direction of spin, that means minus, right? No, it has to be self. Self dot. We're gonna use this. Okay, that's just stupid. I'm lost. Kinda lost. So we're raising the air. Okay, boom. Now we have to use the stamina needed to sprint. So we're using that, and we're gonna move twice. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this question. I'm lost. For each of the sprint methods, raise an air if there isn't enough stamina. Okay, if there isn't enough stamina, we're doing that. The thing is, we just need to use... I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. I'm not trying to use ChatGPT because, I get some criticism saying using ChatGPT for pulses. Oh, shout out to this guy. Fuck, I need to start replying to comments. Damn, shout out. Let's go. Thanks to PC Expert. You're that guy, man. Bro. Why am I fucking lost? Right, self down is gonna use the stamina. I don't know. I think it's just minus equal 2, but the thing is they're not even using self dot right, bro. Move the stamina needed. Use the stamina needed to use. So we're gonna use that and move twice to the direction of the sprint. So what the fuck? Get it? I gotta move twice to the direction of the sprint, so it's gonna be +2, but what? I don't know. This is a fucking... I don't know. I don't know. I have to use ChatGPT. I don't know what to do. Here. I don't think I need to do that. I knew this was wrong because you already implemented that there. So what am I supposed to do if I use self? And then guess so. The so the spring breath I think that's what's happening. I don't fucking know. Wait, this I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Maybe because I'm tired. I don't know. I locked in so good yesterday. Oh, parentheses? Fuck. Oh, sorry. I'm really just guessing, bro. I'm fucking lost. I'm tired as fuck. Repeat the call? I don't know. Oh, that's why they did that bullshit the last one. I never even seen an underscore before, so I don't even know what that means. I was like, why do they put the underscore in the POW? Like, it doesn't make sense. Or you can just call it twice, but... this question was an L. Fail, fucking fail. Fucking fail, fucking fail, fucking fail, fucking fail, fucking. Oh, that's what's in it all the way down in the bottom. I was like, bro, what? Where is the stamina? So we're checking this. Should work. L, bro, L. Fucking L. Hella big L, bro. How? Ooh. I don't know. I don't care. Such a big L. I don't like myself right now. Maybe because it's 1 fucking 30 a.m. in the morning, but I don't know. Big L. Should I answer this? I'm on the mood, but whatever. Classes and object are all about grouping data and materials together in one place. An object organized on more guard than you think. How can I write a human class that holds the data and to provide some contrast when functional programmers aren't? So you think of their code as well? I give us some humans, which one takes a step with object where is a human that walk self is fully forward next human equal. Alright, fuck this, I'm done. L, I'm sorry guys. I need to get better. I do need to get better. Alright guys. See you guys tomorrow.